What's up, guys? Finally, YouTubers, which is Peter McKinnon and Maddie Hapoya, they came to this town. Yo, what's up, guys? Foodie Adventures here. What's happening? Good morning. Today we are in Utah, St. George, something like that. It's beautiful. It has it looks just a little bit like Salt Lake City. It reminds me, because last year I went and visited my friend over there, and today road trip is from Phoenix to Vegas, and then here, George, Utah. We did a road trip with my friend. Why not? I said, why not? Let's go to a road trip. So my plan is to do this road trip, record it and get it done, and get the best places of food. Right now I found this restaurant that is called El Patron restaurant. It's a Mexican food place. Then I'm going back to Vegas right now after this, and let's go. Let's see how it goes, and let's find over there a really good restaurant in Vegas. So come along. So far, it has flavor. It has guacamole, carne asada, rice, beans, and the flour tortilla. So good, so good. All right, guys, I just came out from the restaurant. That food is delicious, for reals. 10 out of 10 recommended. But nothing good to have your really good cold ass Coke bottle brought from Mexico. It makes the taste better. That's for sure. That's for sure. Now let's go get some gas and Vegas, baby. Vegas. Let's find a really good food truck over there, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. For right now, let's go. Vegas, baby. Back in Vegas. Alright, guys, I'm in Vegas. The plan today is to go sell pictures, print tape. So let's go see what happens. We're gonna find out. Let's go.
Can I show my Instagram?
Yeah, but you got cars in the back, man.
My name is Lavish the Dog. One AVISH_1.
Yeah, we got motion.
Yeah.
To 1 million views.
What's up, guys? I'm here in Vegas already, but let me switch the camera. Alright, I'm here in the Heart Attack restaurant, in the restroom, because I can't film with music outside. They have a loud music, so I already ordered. Let's go. Suit yourself. Let's do this. I'm gonna show you what I got. Let's go. Oh yeah, the first one there. Okay. Are you mad? And surprise for me is the same place where Peter McKinnon and Maddie Apoya came, I believe last year or 2 years ago. I'm not sure exactly, maybe 3, I don't know. But yes. Amazing place, really small little town with, it's old, really old, but love it. What's up, guys? Finally, after I saw the video with Peter McKinnon and Maddie Apoya that they've been here, I've been wanting to come to this place, so I should search for it right now. I didn't know it was this one. Amazed, Peter McKinnon. I wish you could be here. I could have found you here. Damn it. There's the bosses where you guys did the, what's it called? The drone battle. Amazing. I got my drone, but I don't have a lot of time. So I'll just go by a little bit. I have an hour, so let's go. Shoot, I remember this is one of, I believe, there's no more. This is one of the places they passed the drone right there, and the other one, it's right here. Man, it would have been so nice for you guys to be here and meet you guys. This is the other one. That one. There's the second one. I think that one, this one was the first one, and then that one is the second challenge. The third, it was a bus. Man, I'm so excited. I don't know if it's probably that bus right there. Not sure, because there's a lot of buses here. I'm pretty sure it is that one. Let's go check it out. Hey. Yep, it is this one. If I'm not wrong, it's this third window. Amazing.
I gotta show it, she dipping them nails, I'm flipping my L's, I know they could tell. I did it too major, they hit me for favors. Been him since the cable was cut in the cradle. What's up, only right that I do it. Colossal until I'm a boss, so they want me to fail. Look, we prevail, telling the point out who said that they run it. Bitch, I'm on your tail. Know that they talking, they telling them tales. Just know how to tell, that shit for the sale. Hey, they talk like they got it, but they need to stop it. I'm leading with logic, my heartbeat is frosted. I seen it, got optics I needed from Shawty. She mean with the top and it's obvious. They need him a target, I'm dodging their darts, make them reach for the stars. I'm dumping, I'm forcing the pun off the runs. I'm moving with caution, I'm saucing my nigga is nothing. From nothing to something they'll never be. Tycooning, I'm Dre with the thizzle face. I'm nothing my section has ever seen. Run the ice so I'm clutch, I don't need a screen. I'm Curry, I spit it from 30 deep. Do the pin in the pad like a surgery. She the curve at you just to flirt with me. Toolie tucked off, but the jewels out. I just sent her home with a full mouth. I'm a rare breed when the moon out. I'ma stop playing by the rules now. I been ran plays, need a new route. Queen says she needs space in a new house. Mom told me that she pray for the kid every day. No wonder I'm getting paid for the tunes now. They bang on their ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feet on speed out, I hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on. Niggas facade get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we could tell.